Every cleaning situation comes with its own challenges. Some need precise handling, others demand extended reach and lightweight control. AquaSpray Venom offers 3 carbon fiber options to match your needs and preferences. Hybrid carbon, a 50% carbon and 50% fiberglass for affordable valued pack solutions. 100% carbon, constructed with high-quality 24 tensile carbon fiber, offering a lightweight feel with excellent rigidity and longevity for professional use. High Modulus carbon, our top-of-the-line premium 30 tensile grade high mod carbon, for maximum stiffness, reduced flex, and confident control at full extension. Ideal for high-reach commercial work up to 50 feet. Insufficient reach can compromise cleaning coverage and efficiency. AquaSpray Venom offers a range of pull lengths designed to deliver professional high-reach performance. The hybrid and the 100% carbon are available in 20 feet, 30 feet, and 40 feet. You can also use the add-on Venom extension pulls for jobs that require additional reach. Each extension is 5 feet long and can be attached sequentially to extend 30 and 40 feet pulls to a maximum height of 50 feet. Then we have the premium high Modulus carbon, which are already available from 30 up to 50 feet. Choose the Venom model and length that matches your work environment and tackle every job with the perfect setup. Order now at Equipmaxx.com.